What's up guys? So in this video, I'm just going to show you guys how we installed our baby gate at the top of this staircase. And our installation was a little tricky due to two things. One, on this side, we have a banister, a post instead of a wall. And the other thing was that you can see this post kind of lines up right with the edge of that wall. So we kind of had to shift the gate over this way a little bit. So your staircase may be similar, so hopefully this will be helpful if you want to see how you can get an install like this to work. So here's what we used: the Kidco Stairway gate installation kit, and then we used a Toddleroo arched auto close gate. And I'll just give you a close-up of how this looks and note a few things. So there's an attachment on the bottom and an attachment on the top, and then the kit comes with this piece of wood that just drills into the two attachment points. Now, these don't have to be in a fixed place. You just need one kind of at the bottom and one at the top. So you have some flexibility in terms of how to make it work for your post or banister. So you can see like this could be higher or lower as long as it doesn't collide right with the top of the gate. And with the bottom, you can see we didn't have to put it all the way at the bottom. We could put it right there because this actually isn't big enough to go down here. The bottom has to be a square. The top one comes with this piece that can wrap into a circular piece. If on the top you can't put it in a square too, you can just take this middle part out. And inside here, you can't see that well, but it has a grippy rubber surface, so it does grip that well, so you don't have to be too concerned with it sliding or anything. Here you can see that rubber strip right there. Now the square bracket is definitely more stable. You know, this one could slide a little bit, can twist a little bit, but overall, you know, I think it's secure enough for this. So one thing to note, you can see that the width here does not line up exactly. You know, this is a little further out, but that's fine because, you know, this wood is a little bit flexible. And with this Toddleroo gate, you know, we can adjust the width of the top and bottom separately with these two extensions. So this doesn't need to be exactly straight and it works out fine. And then the final thing to note, you know, because we had this issue where this post is lining up right with the edge of this wall, with this we're able to mount the wood bar a little closer this way, so then we can go straight across and hit right there. And kind of like I mentioned earlier, it's not the most ideal because, you know, this pressure is pushing this a little bit. So, you know, there's some concern, is this going to twist this way? But you can see it's pretty good. Like I'm not too concerned about it. So that's our installation of the Kidco Stairway gate installation kit and the Toddleroo baby gate. If you're interested in a review, post a comment below. Otherwise, I'll see you in my next video.